Now, I don't know about you, but I can't stand it when my glasses get dirty and I can't see through the lenses. Right now I can see smudges on my lenses and it bugs me like crazy. So I want to let you know what I do to keep my glasses clean throughout the day with no extra work. If you wear glasses, you probably already know that it is a pain to keep them clean. So I would like to show you how I keep my glasses clean without any extra work. So I promised a way to clean your glasses with no extra work, and I do that by adding it into my regular routine. So next time you're in the bathroom washing your hands, here's when you're going to wash your glasses too. Take off your glasses. Go ahead and get your soap and water going and start washing your hands. Go ahead and rinse your hands off and grab some of the same soap that you washed your hands with, and this is perfectly acceptable to wash your glasses with as well. So use your hand soap. You can rub it on the lenses of your glasses and on the arms. You want to clean your frames as well as the lenses because you get makeup and hair products and skin oils, hair oils on your glasses as well. And you could even break out if you don't keep your glasses clean because you're putting them, they go on your face all day and they can get pretty oily and sticky and gunky. So you want to go ahead and soap them up and rinse them off with the same water in the sink while it's still running. And to dry them off and polish them, you want to take a cotton towel. It can either be a towel or a t-shirt, anything you have handy, but you do want to use a soft fabric. You don't want to use a coarse paper towel like the kind you would potentially find in a public restroom. Those are a little too coarse. Dry them off and polish your lenses with a soft cloth, either the one that was provided by your optometrist, but if you don't have that handy, a towel works well, a t-shirt works well, or any soft cloth. So go ahead and dry the arms of your glasses, dry the lenses, and dry the frames. And once you're done with that, you are ready to go. Pop them back on your face and carry on with your day. And just like that, I feel so much better. Hallelujah, I can see. So I hope you got something out of this quick glasses tip. It sure does help me. Have a good one.